to make Peter B. Parker in Gacha Online. Also, don't hate just because I didn't know how to make him. He was hard, the hair, everything. So you're gonna have to deal with it. Okay, so real hair, 139. Front hair, 133. Sleeve, 2400. No, 24. Sleeves, 24. Jacket, 3. Pants, 900 and 262. Shoe, 8. Shoe 1. Shoe 1, 61. It's this one. Shirt, 30, 34. Scarf, 200 and 493. And you finish. Here is the color for hair. Oh yeah, for eyes too. Pupils, 999. For the eyes, color is that. And I didn't forget about nose. No face AC1, 20, 200 and 573, 72. And yeah, that's it. Here's the color for skin tone, jacket, pants, shoe 1. It's this one right here that has 61 on it. It's shoe 1. And the regular shoe is just white. Gloves, red. Also, gloves, just choose one, except for the ones that look like these and that. But not these though. Choose ones like 4, 7, 5, 8, 3, 9, 10. And you're finished. Wait, the color for them, yeah. Here's the color for shirt. Color 1 for shirt. And color 2 for shirt. And that's the same color. You're done. Wait, actually, outline for scarf is this. And now you're finished. Actually, never mind, you're finished.